Seiseta Keratin Hair Extensions Hot Fusion Application. Before you apply Seiseta Keratin hair extensions, prepare the client's hair as follows. Wash the client's hair using clarifying daily shampoo from Seiseta's Hair Extensions care range. This special shampoo helps normalize excessive scalp sebum and keeps hair clean for longer. Moreover, it helps open hair cuticles to ensure a firm hold of the extensions. Rinse thoroughly without using conditioner, hair masks, or oils. Blow dry hair as usual. Do not use a flat iron or else the cuticles will close again. How to apply Hot Fusion Keratin hair extensions. Proceed as follows. Section hair in a T-part from the forehead down to the middle of the head. Then part the hair on the sides from ear to ear. Now you have a large section at the back and two sections of the same size on the sides. Trace a horizontal line on the nape, leaving about 0.8 to 1 inch from the hairline perimeter. Use a tail comb to select the same amount of hair as the keratin extension to apply. Leave about 1/3 of an inch from the side hairline perimeter. Select the strand of the client's hair, making sure to give it a rectangular shape. Try to be as accurate as possible without grabbing any unwanted hair. This will prevent the extensions from pulling or creating discomfort. Use the protective shield DC01 to isolate the strand. Insert the strand into the shield and secure it with a metal clip. Make sure that the strand is free-flowing on its natural direction. Please note, the tip of the triangular shape in the shield should be pointing upwards to be perpendicular to the line you traced. This way, the strand will sit evenly on the base of the triangle. Now open the Seiseta pack. Remove the plastic hang tab and take out the extensions. Trim off the top end of the keratin tips according to your needs. Place the Seiseta extension on the top of the client's strand. Use the Seiseta Hot Fusion Evo 2002 HFE heat connector set to 347 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Press the two poles together until the keratin is melted. The Hot Fusion Evo heat connector comes with adjustable temperature control and timer with beeping sounds. Once you set the time and temperature, the device beeps once when you close the connector and will emit a modulated beep when the bonding is complete. Make sure that the keratin melts completely and bonds with the client's hair to ensure optimal hold. Fold quickly the melted keratin bond tip inward. Press with your fingers. Use the hair extension installation pliers PM60 and press down on the keratin to obtain a flat and thin bond. Make sure that the strand you applied is free-flowing flat on the scalp, i.e. vertical to the nape to prevent pulling. Please note, leave enough space between each application on the nape, allowing freedom of movement and avoiding any discomfort. Follow the same steps until the section is complete. Trace the second row about an inch above the previous one, lower occipital section. Apply the keratin extensions as you did for the first row. Please note, from the second row onwards, the strands can be placed without leaving any space in between. Place the third row about 1 inch above the second one, upper occipital section. Apply the keratin hair extension strands, repeating the same steps as for the previous application. In this case, the row intersects the central vertical line that divides the two side sections. Once that the back is complete, you can proceed with the sides. Please note, a successful application requires on average 4 to 5 rows at the back of the head. The last one, radial row, must be placed approximately below the whorl, preventing the bonds from being visible. How to apply side sections. Apply keratin extensions by tracing the first diagonal line from the temple at brow height to the ear. This line must intersect the previously created vertical line. We recommend working your way diagonally to allow freedom of movement, ponytail, glasses, hairbands, etc. Please note, for optimal results, rows on both sides should be placed at the same height using slanted sections. It doesn't matter that they match with the back rows because they are two different types of work. Start installing keratin extensions from the middle out. Leave about 1 inch from the temples area. Continue in the same way until the side section is complete. Then shift to the other side. For the side sections, 2 or 3 rows will be sufficient. Please note, if necessary, you can apply micro bonds, which make the extensions thinner, invisible, and undetectable at the touch. Seiseta extensions have a distinctive shape with a folding central line. This way, you can easily cut it from above the edge in 2 micro bonds using a pair of scissors. Apply the micro bonds following the instructions above. Please note, it is advisable after the keratin hair extensions installation to wait 48 hours before washing the hair. This will allow the keratin bonds to settle in. Keratin bond hair extensions can last up to 4 to 5 months, depending on the client's regrowth. How to cut keratin hair extensions. Once the hair extensions are installed, you can proceed with the haircut. We recommend using just the hair razor to create natural-looking layers and finish up the details. Using the scissors would make the cut too blunt at the expense of a more natural look. How to remove keratin hair extensions. Brush hair thoroughly using a hair extensions brush PM08/09 to get rid of any knots. Use the remover on the keratin extensions proceeding by areas. Start from the top row and work your way down and across the entire head. Fold a paper towel and place it under the extension strand you are removing to keep the client's skin clean. Spray the remover on the keratin bond's edge and let it sit for a few seconds. Use the hair extension remover pliers PM61 to press gently on the wet keratin to break the bond. Hold the strand of the client's hair between your fingers and slide the extension off. Repeat these steps for all the other extensions, pulling them off one at a time. Once all extensions have been removed, wash hair using clarifying daily shampoo from the Hair Extensions Care range to remove any keratin and remover residue. Hot Fusion Keratin hair extensions cannot be reused. Precautions: do not install keratin extensions if natural hair does not reach a minimum length to ensure its blending, in case of alopecia, etc. Remove shed hair stuck in keratin extension bonds every 3 to 4 weeks. This will prevent knotting at the roots. Avoid heat sources exceeding 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, near the keratin bonds. Keratin Bond Hair Extension Accessories. 2002 HFE Hot Fusion Evo, heated on both sides and equipped with timer and temperature control. PM60 Installation Pliers. PM61 Removal Pliers. DC01 Protective Shield. RV Keratin Remover. What you can achieve with Seiseta Keratin Bond Extensions. Full head extensions. Number of strands required, about 125 to 150. Application time, 90 to 150 minutes. Application area, full head. Volume effect. Number of strands required, about 50 to 75. Application time, 45 to 90 minutes. Application area, upper occiput and sides. Color or highlight effect. Number of strands required varies depending on the client and the effect she wants to achieve. Application time varies depending on the number of strands to apply. Placement pattern, piano, alternating different nuances.